Hey OFRA Beauties, my name is Maya Galore. If you do not know me, I am a beauty influencer and content creator. Today we are going to be creating this effortless summer makeup look using some of my OFRA faves as well as some of the new launches that have come out. If you have not subscribed yet to OFRA's channel, please make sure that you smash that button below, and let's go ahead and hop right into this tutorial. Today we are going to be creating this very soft summer makeup look with a little bit of extra drama on the end with a little of a smudged wing. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. In the Summer Edit eyeshadow palette, I'm going to dip into this shade right here, and this is Raisin. And with a big fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend this into the outer corners of my eye as well as into my crease. Since it's still summer, I definitely wanted to do something that said summer, or had summer written all over it. We're kind of getting closer and closer to fall, so I kind of feel like this is a transitional look as well, but it's very, very much screaming summer to me. And before I hop into the next color, I'm just gonna take a more clean brush and blend out the edges of this so we don't have any lines of demarcations, because that ain't cute. Next, I'm gonna pop into the shade Bliss here on the bottom row in the middle, and I'm gonna place this right in the middle of the lid, and this shade is absolutely beautiful. It like illuminates off of the screen, and I'm feeling it. So I'm just going to spread this on the lid and go into small strokes once it meets the other colors so that it blends well. And I'm gonna take a small pencil brush and start to blend Bliss into this inner part, because it's all about blending. It's all about blending. Next, I'm gonna pop into the shade Crush, and I'm gonna place that right in between Bliss and Raisin. And this is gonna give us just a little added color to the lid and just kind of give it a little pizzazz. And then again, going back in with my blending brush to make sure it is all nicely blended. And that is the base of our effortless summer eye. So I'm gonna take my OFRA liquid eyeliner. This is the Verified Black Liquid Liner, and I'm going to line right across my lash line. I don't want this to be super harsh. I'm kind of just creating a space for my false lashes. So I'm gonna take this flat eyeshadow brush and dip right into Triple Black here in the corner. And I'm going to create a line across the lid just for like a smudged liner look. I feel like this is just gonna bring the drama. It is a very soft, summery look, but we just need just a little bit of drama. just a smidgen, not too much, just a little bit. So I'm bringing this all the way across the lash line and not being super precise, just kind of smudging it over. And I'm also gonna kind of create kind of a wing here on the end. I don't want it to be super defined. I just kind of want it to be faded, because I feel like that's what's gonna keep us with a softer look versus like a really sharp wing. Let's hop into this face. I'm gonna be using the Rays of Light primer, and I love like the illuminating feel that this gives me. I have definitely been loving this primer lately. For foundation, I'm gonna be going into my Absolute Cover foundation. This is a full coverage foundation. Love this foundation. And this is in the number 8. And I am blending this out with a brush, but in a moment I'm about to go into one of my most favorite sponges ever. Which is this OFRA sponge here. Oh my god, this thing is a lifesaver. A lifesaver for me, because it's so soft and it always just get rid of any streaks or anything that might be left by a brush. I am a true fan. A true fan. I feel like this sponge as well as the foundation are one of my most favorite OFRA products, plus the Sahara Dawn highlighter. She's a banger. So you know you guys can get 20% off of any OFRA products if you use my code GALORE. So make sure you don't miss out on getting a nice little discount on these bomb products. So I just added some concealer. I'm going to blend out the concealer with, like I said, my favorite sponge. I mean, sis, the blend that you get with this sponge is unmatched. I am gonna hop into these OFRA powders to set my face. The lighter one is the Derma Mineral Powder in Sandy Beach, and I'm gonna use that to set my highlighted areas. And then I'm gonna go into the Derma Mineral Powder in Cocoa to set the rest of my face. Love going in with a skin tone powder to set the rest of my face. It just helps to get rid of any shine and makes you nice and matte. So we're gonna finish off the eyes with the Summer Edit palette, and I'm gonna go back into Raisin raising on the bottom lash line just to kind of pull the look together and make sure that we have some continuity on the top and on the bottom. I'm also adding Bliss right here on the bottom part of the lid towards the inner part, just to kind of keep the same shades from the top going at the bottom. I'm gonna use the Sahara Dawn, which I already mentioned is one of my favorites. It's probably my favorite OFRA highlighter. I'm gonna use this today to highlight. I just love the gold tint in this. Gold is just, oh, everything when it comes to a highlighter. Like, look at that, it's beautiful. And I'm just highlighting in my usual places, which is under my brow bone, down my nose, my cupid's bow, as well as my cheekbones. And we're gonna add a little bit of blush because I do love this tone here in the middle of the Sweet Electric Midi palette. I need this in my life. So we're gonna use that real quick because it just gives a really cute flush of pink. And I feel like that's perfect for this summer, more effortless look. Like, look at that, yes. And kind of like blending it with the highlighter kind of also gives you just like that summer feel. Before we go into lips, I want to go ahead and spray my face with the Rose Makeup Fixer. Love, love, love this. And I do like to push it into the skin just to make sure that I am nice and hydrated and that my makeup is gonna stay exactly where I put it. For lips, we are going to be going into the Jen Loves Review collab. I'm gonna use the Chestnut OFRA lip liner just to line my lips and prep them for my liquid lipstick. And I'm gonna go into the refined liquid lipstick that is in this set. Yes, yes. I love that. That is very, very pretty. And if you know me, you're getting to know me, I love a good ombre lip, so I'm gonna go into Revive 2 right in the middle. Just to, do you see what just happened? Just to kind of elevate it a little bit, give it a little bit more dimension, and I'm loving it. Last but not least, we are going to be using the new shimmer body lotion from OFRA, and this is Do the Do, and this one is in Topaz. And we just want a summer glow right now. So we're just gonna add a little bit of this to the skin, and I'm gonna take a body brush just to kind of blend that in. Oh, yes. Love it. Just making us more glowy for summer. This definitely might become one of my favorite products because I love a good summer glow, sis. I love it. Ooh. Oh, it's beautiful. I feel like this is like perfect for like the beach if you're going out and you just want your body to glisten. It is perfect, even if you ain't going to the beach. If you just, you know, running errands in the summertime and your skin is out, like it's perfect just to glisten in the sun. A little glistening ain't never hurt nobody. Alright, OFRA Beauties, so that wraps it up for this summer makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure that you smash that like button below. Subscribe to OFRA's channel if you have not yet. Also, if you want 20% off of these amazing products, you can use my code GALORE for 20% off. Go ahead and save them coins. Again, my name is Maya Galore, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!